so I'm going to show you guys how I went from this to this using Lash Clusters. I'll put the screenshot of the exact ones at the end of the video. Little like lash clusters, taking like a 10mm. Okay, so I dipped the lash in glue, and then basically I'm just gonna like lift up my lash and place this under. So I'm gonna try to do this on camera, but I have to look in the mirror. So let me, okay, lift it up, and then I just place the lash on there. That's literally it. It sticks really easy, and then I kind of gradually like lengthen the millimeters, so I'll do more. This one's 11mm. I'm gonna just do the same thing, lift it up, and then place it. Okay, so I have another one. I'm just gonna put it on, and I actually glue them to my lashes, like not my waterline, but my actual lashes. So I just keep repeating that same step. It's really quick, to be honest. Like, it seems like it would take long, but it really doesn't take long at all. Okay, so I'm just gonna repeat the same steps, then I'm gonna come back. Okay, so I placed them all on, and I do like to stack them at the end sometimes to make them a little thicker. So I basically just take the lash and I put them like on top of the other lash. Like that, and it makes it thicker. It makes it look more like lash extensions. So I'm gonna stack more. I just stack them wherever I feel like needs length or like thickness. So there's that one. Okay, so now you see like there's like a gap right here, so I'm gonna stack one right there so that there's not like a gap. Just like that. So that's it. That's all that I do. At the end of the night, I just rip them off like regular lashes. For this one, I did 10, 11, 12, 13, 13, 14, and 15, and then I also stacked some. So these are the ones that I use. You can just like search that up. This is how they end up looking. That's it.